Hi, my name is Beth and I'm a childbirth educator here at Mercy. And today we're going to go on a little tour of our labor and delivery and our maternal child units. If you are coming in through the main entrance, which is just down this hallway, you can park in the ramp and make your way over to maternal child that way. One other thing to note about that area is the elevator there will lead you to the cafeteria, a very important thing to know. So we'll make our way over to the other entrance, which is our emergency room entrance. If you come in labor during the night or just are needing a little bit more of a hurry to get here, you can always come through the emergency room and they will bring you right up to our unit. So then we find our labor and delivery elevator. So we have our very own elevator, so you can't miss it. We'll just take our elevator up to the 3rd floor. So first we'll go to our labor and delivery side and see what we need to see over in that area. When you first arrive up here, you can come to the desk here and check in with the staff behind the desk here, and we will get you checked in and get you sent to your room. When you first arrive, you may come into one of our test rooms and we'll check and see if your water has broke or if you are in labor, and after we decide that, we'll move you into one of our larger labor rooms. And then over here is our nursery, and we have a NICU there, so if your baby needs any special attention, we have that ability to be able to provide that for them. So this is one of our labor and delivery rooms. As you can see, it's very roomy. We have kind of a special bed that we use in labor and delivery that's able to move into different positions that maybe not every bed is able to move into, made special for delivery. There's lots of cabinets and cupboards. Unfortunately, those aren't necessarily for your things. And the reason I point them out is because we have everything that we need in the case of an emergency for you, but we keep them behind the closed cupboards just to keep them so that they're not there for you to be worried about. Another thing to really pay attention to is our bathrooms. We have jacuzzi tubs in all of our labor rooms, and so make sure you take a peek at that, and they're very nice and roomy. And to the back of our room, we have the area for the baby. So we have a very special bed for baby that it provides warmth and anything that they might need when they're first born. Again, we have lots of cupboards that have things that we need for baby in a case of an emergency, but all tucked away so that you don't have to worry about a thing. And then this is the bed that your baby would go to in their room. And whenever you're in the hallway, we ask that the baby be in that bed, but it's on wheels. It can be wherever you want it to be in your other room. And in the event that you might need a C-section, our C-section suite is right here on the unit. So you do not go to a different floor and you'll recover back in your prior room. After your baby is born, you will stay in this room for about 2 hours, and then we will move on to the maternal child side. On your way over to maternal child, you'll have the opportunity to hit our lullaby button, and it will play the lullaby throughout the whole hospital to announce that a baby has been born. So when you're coming over to the maternal child side, you'll have to buzz in the doors to be able to be let in, as it's a locked unit for your safety. So this is our maternal child unit, and we will go and check out a room where you might stay after you have your baby. So this is a room that you might come into after you've had a vaginal delivery. It's got the full-size memory foam bed, which is a great hit just to be able to have some time where you can just snuggle together with your baby. It'll have a pull-out couch so that you have a place to sleep or have extra place to sit. We have TVs, and we like to use our whiteboards. We like to make sure that you know who your nurse is and if you have pain meds due or anything like that. We also have jacuzzi tubs in our bathrooms out here. And after a vaginal delivery, you're usually here for about 2 days. After a C-section, this would be a room that you would be coming to. After a C-section, you might appreciate the comfort of a hospital bed and a walk-in shower. So that's what this room will have that's different from the other room. Well, thank you for joining me on our tour today, and we hope that we'll see you in the near future.